So again, we are working on systems of linear equations 2 by 2. That is 2 equations in 2 variables. And we're looking to see what happens using the addition method on what are called inconsistent systems. So the first thing we better know is what is an inconsistent system. Definition. A system of linear equations is inconsistent if there is no solution. So we want to know how we can tell there's no solution when we're using the addition method. This method works for both the substitution method and the addition method. And the answer is a system is inconsistent if, when we're solving it, we get a stupid statement like 2 equals 1, 0 equals minus 3. So if we get a stupid statement, that means that the system is inconsistent. But we just start solving it normally. So here we are given solve this system, and we're going to use the addition method. Let's just start solving. What is step 1 of the addition method? Well, step 1 is you put the x's in one column, then the y's, the equal sign, and the constants. Well, here we have 8x, that's on the correct side, so we don't change its sign. Now we're looking for y, it's on the wrong side, it's a minus, so when we put it on the other side it becomes a plus. Here's our equal sign, and the 6 is already on the right side, so we just write it down. And the second equation, the 4x is on the incorrect side, so when we move it, it becomes minus. The y is on the correct side, so it stays the same sign, equals. And the constant needs to be moved to the other side, so it's a minus 4. And here we have lined up everything, x, y equals constant. So what's our next step? Our next step is to determine our multiplication constants. What do we look for? We look for opposite signs if we can find them. But both of these have opposite signs, both the x's and the y's. So then we look for the smallest coefficients. And we see by the y's. And so the coefficient here is 1, so we can multiply this one times 1. And the coefficient here is 2, so we multiply this one by 2. And we'll get 2y here and minus 2y. When they add up, we will have eliminated y. So what is this step? This step is to do the multiplication. So we're multiplying by 1, so that means we just rewrite. And here we're multiplying by 2. Each term, 2 times minus 4x is minus 8x. 2 times minus y is minus 2y equals, and 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. So we're set up to add. Do we see any problems there? We shall see. Next step. The next step, remember, is to go up to these equations and pick the easiest one. Well, the easiest one is the second one, so we'll write that as our dragger. 4 minus y equals 4x. And now we're ready to do blue plus red is purple. 8x minus 8x, that's 0x. So we don't have anything there. So we have a 0 plus 2y minus 2y, another 0. Uh-oh. 6 minus 8 minus 2. 0 equals minus 2. 0 doesn't equal minus 2. So this is a stupid statement, a contradiction. So we stop right then and write this system has no solution. Or we could write this system is inconsistent. This system has no solution. That is the answer to solve. There is no solution. So this is our answer to solve this system.